Good morning, students. Last class we completed the root lesson. No? Today I am going to explain that exercise. See here, first is define the following is there. See, first one is soil is the topmost layer of the earth crust and is important for the supporting life on the earth. And also pedology. Pedology is the study of soil. And photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process of the synthesizing food for the plants by combining sunlight, air and water. Then transpiration. It is the process by which water is pulled in through the root. And also root are the part of the plant which are embedded within the soil and help in the anchoring the plant. Yes, then fill in the blanks. The uppermost layer of the earth surface is called soil. The uppermost layer will be soil covered, no? Then soil is an important natural resource. Dash is the process of newborn plant emerging from its seed, germination. Because if we put a small seed means it will germinate first. Embryonic shoot called dash grows upward and develop into the shoot system, plumelle. A dash root system penetrated deep into the soil, that is tap root system penetrate the deep into the soil. Then banyan tree have a thick adventitious root that provide a support to heavy branches, and also stilt root are the additional root that arise from the lower part of the stem and fix the plant firmly in the soil. Then stay true or false. Soil is an important artificial resource. It is not an artificial resource, it is a natural resource. So it is false. Amount of a stone, sand, gravel and so on determines the structure of the soil is a true. Roots are the not important to anchor the plant. It is very important the anchor the plant. So it is false. Embryonic root called radicle grows upwards and develops into the shoot system. It is false. Root prevents soil erosion. Yes, no? Root prevents the soil erosion. It is true. Nitrogen fixing roots are example for the roots that help in the respiration. Nitrogen fixing is present in the respiration, no? So it is true. Then manufacturing food is function of the root. It's a false. And here match the following is there. Here root names are there. Here description or their functions they give. Taproot example is mango tree, adventitious root bamboo, aerial root maize, stilt root banyan tree, stilt root maize or wheat, climbing roots are money plant. Then here answer the following is there. Why is it important to study soil? Soil filters our water, provide a essential nutrient to our forest, regulate the earth temperature. Soil will be regulates the earth temperature. It is very important to study about soil. What are the function of soil? There are 4 functions, but I wrote only one function. You read the functions, but you write only one function. It's enough. It support the growth of the large variety of organisms. Okay, name the components of soil: stone, sand, gravel and so on. Write the short note on the importance of water in a plant. You are in your textbook also there pot A and pot B. If we add a water means how the plants will be show, and if we didn't put the water means how the plant will be. See, the plant in a pot A is a fresh and a green, while the plant in a pot B weather and looks pale after a day or two. Watering again gives us some strength to its stem and branches. It goes to prove that water is essential for the growth of the plant. And why are the roots important for the plant? Root will be transfer water to whole plant, so it is very important. Describe the various types of roots with example. There are three types of roots: tap root, adventitious roots, and also fibrous root. Tap root example is pea, adventitious roots example is tomato, fibrous roots example is maize. Why are roots modified in some plants? The roots of some plants are modified to perform some special functions such as storage of food and providing additional support to the plant. Yes, no? These are all you having see here. These are all you have to write in your notes. Put a proper name, lesson name, everything must and should you read first, and remember the names that germination, natural, plumelle, photosynthesis, pedology. These are all new names, no? So you have to practice and read more times. Okay, thank you.